Today, I'm going to show you how I shot this dramatic watch photo using just 2 lights and some everyday items. Here's what I used: a glass surface, 2 small torch lights, a blue-colored polythene paper, and the main focus, a wristwatch. Let's go ahead and start setting things up. Now switch off all the other lights. And this is our final setup. I placed the watch on the glass surface. The white LED light came from the right to highlight details, and the blue light came from the left to create a cinematic look. The water drops on the glass helped create a subtle reflection and bokeh effect. From my small table to this, prove you don't need expensive gear to create something beautiful.